Yes. We can see this is our components plus. This is our component friends. This is our engineer team, our product team, and our sales team. This is our worker face. Our manufacturer is used to two types. The first is the first is used for the commonly all seeds such as the sunflower, the peanut, and the soybean. Then another is the palm fruit. Yes, about the palm fruit, we can get palm oil and palm kernel oil. They are completely different production. Firstly, we can see about the palm fruit. First, let me introduce the palm fruit. Maybe I think possibly there is some people can don't learn about this plant. First, about the palm fruit. Firstly, it mainly distributed in tropical air and some subtropical air. It is one of the most important tropical orchid plants in the world. The oil rate in our palm is very high. Yes, generally 50% in the French palm and 55% in palm kernel. So we can know about this palm fruit. We can get enough palm oil and palm kernel oil. I think it is a high economic. It is a high economic palm fruit. Yes. This side is our palm oil processing mill. Yes. Let me introduce roughly about the palm oil production line. Firstly we have the raw material station. Yes, the raw material reception station, and then is the sterilization station, the treasure station, the price station, and the clean station. The clean station we have four steps. The first step is the oil clarification, and then is the barber cycling, and then is the palm and the frame filter. The last one is that we can get the crude palm oil. Yes, about the crude palm oil, we can eat or use in food to cook. We need to refining. Yes, let's go on. We can see it is the raw material reception station. The raw material station is we receive the palm fruit. To consider the palm fruit, I suggest that if you need to start this project, I think the factory you can set up nearly by the palm fruit garden. I think it is better in 48 hours. This is the sterilization section. We can use we can use the vertical sterilization machine. Yes, the vertical simulation. We use the steam. We use the steam to make the fruit soften. After this section, the fruit will become more easy to prepare, and we can get the more palm oil. Also, the FFA will reduce to guarantee the quality of our palm oil. This is the treasure section. Treasure section because our palm fruit accounts for about 60%. So we need to separate the palm fruit from the palm bunches. Palm bun. The third section is the digester. Yes, digester. Why we set up this section? Because the digester will break the palm fruit. Yes, will become the palm fruit. The palm fruit will cut in 4 or 6. So we can price it easily. It also prevents the damage to our pricer. Yes, and then yes, and then we will go to the price section. The price section just as the name. After this price section, we can get the palm oil. After getting the palm oil, the oil clarification section is to clarify the palm oil. I think everybody can learn. I think everybody can listen a word is called the mixed oil. Yes, the mixed oil. The mixed oil can't be eaten by our people or used to cooking food because so I think there is some people to care about if during the price section or the digest section we perhaps we will damage the kernel to let the palm kernel flow and lead to the palm oil mixed the palm kernel oil. But today I can tell you that this situation is impossible to show in our Henan Glory manufacture because our manufacture is through many tests, so we can ensure that the palm kernel will never be broken during the digester and the price section. So you can come down. This is our production line and the simple palm oil price line. The simple palm oil price line will can meet the need of 110 and 220 acres palm fruit plantation. Yes, it is the moisture machine. It is called the palm oil single machine, and we have the double screw palm oil machine. Yes, it is the price. We have about 500 kilogram per hour. We have two type of palm pricer to meet the different place need of the power. Because yes, we have the motor power and the diesel engine type. After the palm filter, another machine type is used the common vegetable oil seed. Yes, the common vegetable oil seed we can see it is such as the soybean, cotton, sunflower, linseed, corn germ, and peanut, raspberry. Commonly we will to pre clear. Yes, for the common vegetable oil seeds we have firstly we will to clean this material and then depending on their different types we will choose the different production line. Yes, we can see the common production line is the firstly we will get the oil seeds and then clean, crusher, soften. Yes, such as soybean. This kind of oil seed we need to soften. We need to soften to make the soybean soften, and then we can price easily. This is flaker cooking. Why use this cooking? Because we need to ensure the oil seed in the in a comfortable moisture and temperature. The most important is the pricer and then filter. The last we can get the crude oil and the cake. But about the cake, our company have another production line. Yes, this is called the solvent extraction line. Yes, the solvent extraction line is to get oil from the cake. I think if your material is such as the soybean, yes, because this material compared with sunflower, its oil is very slow. So to ensure that you can get enough oil by use the least money. I think if you need to deal with many tons of soybean, I suggest that you can choose the presser. You can choose the presser and the solvent extraction. I think you can combine with these to use to ensure that you can get enough oil. Like the palm oil, we have a simple production line. The common oilseed, we also have a small production line. This is the cooker, conveyor, presser, and filter. About our presser, we have a different type of presser. The first is the biggest component is the automatically temperature control our presser, and the automatically temperature control vacuum filtration integrated oil presser, and the single oil presser. Yes, they can use different. They can meet different needs, such as this type presser. It can presser and filter. What's the meaning? It means that if you use this presser, you don't need to buy a filter. You just buy this filter. It's okay. Yes, this is the solvent extraction. I just say, yes, the solvent extraction. Solvent extraction, we have four steps. The first step is the solvent extraction system. The second is the DTDC system. DTDC is dryer, color, and the third system is the color system. The last is the recovery system. The first system, we use the chemical. We use the chemical solvent to extract the oil from the cake. As we all know, the chemical solvent can be mixed with the oil. So then we can improve the temperature of the solvent extraction machine to let the chemical solvent to become a steam. Then we can get the oil from this steam. This section is to deal with the cake. The cake is after solvent extraction cake, not the presser. Yes, the third is the cooling system. During this system, the steam will become water. Yes, will become water. This means that the steam will become fluid. So we can separate the oil from the chemical solvent. The last one is the recovery system to recover the chemical solvent. So you can think about the solvent extraction. The solvent extraction can use the least energy to make you get the enough oil. At the first, I recommend the oil production line. The first is the presser. After the presser, we can get the crude oil and the cake, and then we can choose to deal with the cake to get enough oil from the cake. Yes, but this is also the first step to get crude oil, and then the second step is the refinery, because we all know the crude oil can use to cook foods or eat. But after the refining, the crude oil can be used to cook food, and we can use. You also can sell it to on the supermarket. Okay, then let's learn about the refining. The purpose of all refining is to remove harmful impurities and useless substances in the oil, so as to improve the storage stability, smooth, and color of the oil. Then you can get the standard edible oil, or oil refining can provide raw material for deep processed products. Our company has three types of refinery. The first is the batch refinery. The second is the second is the semi-continuous refinery. The first is the fully continuous refinery. We have different types. Firstly, classified by process, we have the physical and the chemical. Yes, the physical and the chemical because they have different standards. It means that not only every crude oil can use the physical, but every crude oil can use chemical refining. Yes, for physical refining, for physical refining, I suggest that if you need to refine the palm oil, the pumpkin oil, or the coconut oil, I think the physical refining is the best choice for you. For this picture, we can see the physical refining and the chemical refining. There is a big difference in the to excel action. Yes, because the physical refining, because the first refining, they can combine the acid fraction with the deoxidation fraction together to use the hot steam to steam there. But for chemical refining, the acid action we will choose use the another chemical solvent is 氢氧化钠 NaOH. Yes. Okay, then let me introduce the three type refining production line. The first is the batch type refining production line. Yes, it is used for refining less than 20 tons per day. Yes, about our refining production line, we usually work for 24. We usually work for 24 because once you stop you will lose. Firstly, you will lose the energy. Second, the quality of the oil will be so down. But for price, we will work for hour. Yes. So if you want to know how many, if you want to know what type of production line for you is the best, you need to talk me how many tons you want to process per day, and how many works and how many hours you want to work one day. So but for that I can give you a suggestion. If you need to deal with many tons for about such as above more over 50 tons 1 hour, I think you can choose to work 24 hours. Yes, you can choose to play the 24 hours. For the batch type refinery, the features of a batch type refining plant simple and flexible operation, this investment suitable for repricing of various maturities frequently. It means that you can choose many kind of crude oil to refining by using batch type refining. Why? Because the batch type refining he will has some time to relax. Yes, he will some time to relax. So you can choose your crude oil. But for semi-continuous refining and the fully continuous refining, I don't suggest that you do like this, because once you do this, the quality of your oil will be so down. We can see the semi-continuous refining production. It use from 5 to 30 ton 1 day. Yes. If you want to deal with 5 ton 1 day, you can choose this and the batch type refining. But you want to refine 30 ton 1 day. You must choose the semi-continuous refining production. Why? Because normally the gaming and the decarbonisation unit is batch type production. The deacidification and the deoxidation unit use the deoxidation tower to process continued to reach purpose of continuous refining by its other auxiliary components: high efficiency, energy saving, economic, and high added output value. In another word, if you're refining by the semi-continuous refining production, the oil you can get, the oil you got is very high quality. Yeah, this is the first benefit. And the second is it is saving energy. This is the second benefit. And the third, you can get other high value, because if you want to the last one is the fully continuous production. Yes, the fully continuous refining production. The fully continuous refining plant is normally use more than 30 ton 1 day. Yes, it's more than 30 ton 1 day. I think up to now, everybody can learn about why I recommend that if you need to deal with less than 20 ton, you choose the batch type. If you need to deal with more than 20 ton, even more than 50 ton, you must choose the fully continuous refining production, because if you choose the batch type refining production, you will lose money. I think the most important bad effect is that the quality of the oil you get is not very good. This is our project we have done in Nigeria. Yes, we also have our company in Nigeria. Our company, the main company is in Zhengzhou, Henan, China. But we have another company in Nigeria. If you want to let me to introduce the refining production, you need to tell me, look, the asset value. Yes, the asset value. Also, if you plan to purchase your local crude oil to refine it, I suggest that you can choose you can choose this quality crude oil. Yes, this is the quality of final product. Yes, this is the final oil product. After that, after the pressure and the refining, such oil because there are different chemical, so we can use the fraction, the venture tissue, and the duexing. Yes, we can see about that. For example, the cotton oil seed. I think that you must choose the venture tissue. Yes, because it has a bad chemical moisture. It's harmful to people. We can see this is our product in Kenya, Nigeria, Madagascar, and Sierra, and Mexico, Uganda. This is our another machine. The filling machine. Look, this is our tank. During the pressure section and the refining section, we can match 3 to 5 oil tank because we can depend this oil tank to adjust the pressure, and the refining speed. This is our customer resistor. Okay, let's back to the first, the palm oil and the palm kernel oil production line. About the palm kernel production line, let's look a video. Okay, let's begin. First of all, we can see a complete palm oil and palm kernel pressing plant layout with palm oil presser workshop and the palm kernel presser workshop. And there is look, this is the office, laboratories, other tanks, and other. Yes, this is the palm kernel presser production factory. And the winter, if you need to deal with many palm kernel, I suggest that you can set up the winter. Our technique team can also provide you with the layout of the plant according to your set conditions. Our technique team can also plan the plant according to your set conditions, provide the plant layout, equipment, and the process drawings and the building foundations drawings and others if you need. This is the story. This is the parking. Okay. Yes, we can see it is the machine we use in the palm kernel oil production line. Firstly, this is the equipment palm kernel processing and palm kernel processing plant. Most of the customer's palm kernel is transported from their only palm or processing plant or purchased from your local. So the raw material will have some fabrics and impurities. The first step is that we need to clean the palm kernel so that we can get the cleaner palm kernel when sharing in the following strip. The equipment used is the fiber separator. Palm kernel with fiber into the separator. The built-in triangle shaft rotates at high speed. Yes, we can see this video. This is triangle shaft to rotate very high speed to break up the kernel and fiber. And then the lower shaft rotates at the same speed to bring the, yes, we can see the below, to bring the fiber out of the machine, and then clean palm kernel is transported out of the machine through the triangle shaft. The processing capacity of the fiber separator is between 2 and 4 tons per hour, with large capacity and high efficiency. It can achieve good separation effect. Yes, we can see it is the palm kernel after the separation fabric. The clean palm kernel are transported to the last separation from the elevator, so as to get the clean palm kernel for sharing and prevent the subsequent cleaning through the underground hopper. Yes, this is the underground hopper and the elevator. It is convenient to listen to the kernel sharing separation equipment. We can see it in this machine. In this machine is the sharing separation equipment. In this state, there is a magnetic. There is a magnetic machine, but we can see clearly in this video. Yeah, this is a magnetic machine to clean palm kernels from the inlet into the bucket elevator and eventually feed the we can see again. And eventually feed them into the magnetic separator. Yes, this is the magnetic separator. Using the principle of magnetic absorption can remove the material impurities in the raw material to avoid the shearing machine's damage in order to achieve a better shearing effect. Look, this is a nut grading, generally used for between 4 and 6 tons per hour processing capacity through the size of the machine surface to classify the palm kernel. We can see this one and this one. The surface are very different because the size. Yes, depending on the size, they are very different. Through the size of the machine surface to classify the palm kernel, respectively, into 2 cracker. Yes, cracker. This is the cracker, different 2 cracker. Why? Because why we use the 2 cracker? Because the same cracker of the palm kernel volume is similar. To avoid the diameter of the palm kernel is too small, cannot be short, or the diameter of the palm kernel too big, kernel is broken in complete situation. Yes. To be honest, it's to avoid if the palm kernel is too big, we broke the palm kernel. If the too big, we broke the palm kernel, or if the too small, we can't broke. To avoid the two situation. We can see the cracker again. This is between 2 and 3 tons per hour capacity sharing machine. By adjust, it is also called cracker. Yes, cracker. By adjust the gap between the splitting rouge and the teeth of the inner wall of the machine to achieve a good shine effect. Palm kernel in the process of corrosion, palm shells explosion get uniform palm shells and more complete palm kernel in the subsequent installation and the debugging period. According to the volume of their only raw material size can be adjusted to the appropriate spacing. After many tests and trial run, the rate of shining of this machine can reach 95, can reach about 95 to 98%. And then we can see it is the bucket elevator. The palm shells and kernels are conveyed by the wind to the bucket elevator and transported to the wind separation column for kernel separation, through which you can clearly see the process of kernel and shell separation. The view is facilitates the checking of whether the equipment is functioning properly. Yes, there is a window. You can see the process. There is a cyclone. Yes, there is a cyclone dust collector, also called cyclone, connected with a bladder to pump out the air. Yes, you can look at. You can see it is a cylindrical and cone design. Pump shells into the cyclone to form a gravity downward. We can see to form a gravity downward force. Fall back to where being pumped away by the fan. According to the fan, under the centrifugal stage, the different specific gravity of kernel shells is utilized to achieve the separation effect. The latter specific, we see again. The higher, the lighter. The latter specific gravity shells enter into the cyclone through the wind, and the pipeline is connected to discharge from the workshop to ensure the working environment. The higher specific gravity pump cannot form the window separation. The window separation column into the kernel pricing stage. The lighter, the higher. From the feedback data of our customers, the separation rate is 99%. In other words, the ratio of palm kernel to shell is about 50%. If the raw material you have is 2 tons of palm kernel, we can get about 1 ton of palm kernel. Let's see again this machine. This is the window separation column. This is the window separation column and a cyclone. And then we go to the presser. Palm kernel material is harder than other seeds, need to be crushed. We will go to the crushed and the presser and the filter. Then we can get the crude palm kernel oil. This is the crusher. The crusher uses a roller crusher. Double motor drive the lower rollers rotating relative to each other. Strong power, better crushing effect. Generally, the palm kernel is evenly crushed into between 4 and 6 pills, which can reduce the pressure on the oil press, prolong the life of the machine, and increase the rate of oil production at the same time. This is the crusher. The first is the cracker. They have different useful. They are all useful, but they use in different road. This is cooker. Palm kernel material is and then the crushed palm kernel enters into the cooker, so the convert to adjust the temperature and moisture. If the raw material is too dry, it needs to add some water for cooking, and the moisture before pressing needs to reach about 10% in order to achieve the best pressing effect. The frying pan adopted by most frying pan. The palm kernel after kernel separation is used as fuel, recycling and resource saving. The palm kernel which reaches a certain moisture and temperature enters into the oil presser through the bucket elevator, and there is a small scraper in the shot of fan above the inlet, which ensures the even feeding of the material. The feeding hopper has a glass window to see the feeding schedules clear. But in this video we cannot see. This is the hopper to storage the palm kernel to adjust the whole production speed. And then we will go to the presser. This is the palm kernel oil presser. This is our palm kernel oil presser, which is a kind of school oil presser. It is also called round roll oil presser, more wear resistant, easy to operate, and more convenient when replacing parts. Our school press adopts the short vapor pressing process. If the material stays too long in the kimber, it will lead to paste blockage and a poor pressing effect. Short vapor pressing can avoid this situation. The main material is number 35 steel forge. Other big parts are cast iron and cast iron. Using forge and the baking process, the material piece is heated to a certain temperature and then dipped into the colloid, such as the oil, the water, rapid cooling. The purpose is to increase the hardness, so our oil press have a long life than any other oil press on the market. The motor is equipped with a first-stage motor with enough power and stable operation. The capacity of our oil press is 500 kg 1 hour, which can ensure the residual hour rate of about 60% pressing once, saving time and labor. The press oil goes into the pressure filter through the oil pump to filter the fine impurities and absorb the water, so that the oil is cleaner and can be stored for a longer time. This is the pressure and frame filter. Yes, this is a pressure filter. After this situation, we can cut down some moisture and impurities. The crude oil will become more cleaner. If you want to learn more details about this machine, and if you want to study the project, please contact with our Henan Glory Manufacture Company. This is our WhatsApp and iPhone number. But for this production, I want to introduce some details more clear to you. The first one is that we can see about the whole production line. We place some machine very high and place some machine on the ground. Why we design this production line? Because if you use this production line, we will save many energy. In other words, is that we can use this pump Yes, we can use the least power to reduce that. We can use the least power. The least power we can. It means that we can to use the least money to buy our manufacture. Yes, but when we use the least money to buy the manufacture, we can buy the best quality. But we can buy the best quality of the manufacture. First, about the sewing machine. From our partner, there is someone at the beginning don't buy the palm machine, don't buy this machine, but later they will come back. They will come back to buy this machine. Why? Because this machine you can see. Firstly, in this nut grading, he can separate different palm kernel. We all know in Africa in Nigeria they are mainly have two type of palm fruit. Yes, because the size of this palm fruit they are different. So I think you can expand your business. So maybe you will use this two type of palm fruit. I think you will use this machine. Yes, to separate the different type palm kernel through their side, and then you can broken this. You can broken this, but you don't broken the palm kernel to let the kernel oil spilled in this section. So we can know about this machine. You can get enough palm kernel to expand your business, and then you don't care about you will damage your palm kernel to let the palm kernel oil spilled, and then you can get during the pressure station you can get the enough palm kernel oil. The material of our requirement is auto stirrers. Yes, you can use many years. This is the cracker. Also, there is somebody to say that we don't need the nut grading. I think it's okay. We also have a sewing machine that don't have the nut grading, and you think and you maybe think I just want a cracker. Yes, it's okay. We also can provide just a cracker. So this machine this is called window separation machine and cyclone. In this video, you can see the product situation. This machine can make your factory can make your workplace clean. It means that you don't need another people to clean your factory. This is the crusher. Because we all know the palm kernel is more harder than other seeds. So you must need this machine. This is the crusher to broken the palm kernel. And then when you press the palm kernel, you can do less damage to your presser. Because if you want to damage your, if you want you do harm to your presser, I think you need to change another one. When you change another one, the whole production line can can't work, so you need to stop work. I think it will a big loss for you. This is a cooker. Our cooker is an automatic machine. When you transport the palm kernel into it, you can see it. The palm kernel will be thrown away by automatically. Yes. This means that you don't need people to you don't make people to work to let the palm kernel away from the cooker. It can do it by this machine. This is our presser. Our palm kernel presser and our palm kernel presser and the palm oil presser is very different. About the palm oil presser, we have about two types. One type is 500. The another is between 1 and 2 ton 1 hour presser. About the 500 presser, we have two types. The motor and another one. It can meet different power in different areas. This is the plate filter. This machine don't need power. Yes, this machine don't need power. Let's back to this PPT. Back to this PPT. Then, at the last, let me introduce our company to you. Henan Glory Company, which belongs to Doing Holdings, is an enterprise integrated energy equipment manufacturer and installation, project contracting, technical service, and international trading. We are mainly engaged in vegetable oil material procurement, pricing, refining, solvent extraction, dewaxing, palm oil and palm kernel oil pricing, refining and fraction, and so on. We have an independent technical research and development team and have obtained various utility module patents and invitation patents. At the same time, our company has a long-term cooperation with the most famous or major university in China, Henan University of Technology. The professional manufacturing team and the after-sales service team will ensure the product quality and after-sales service for you. At the same time, our company has a complete e-commerce and market management stream. All departments work together sincerely to provide you with one-stop high-quality service from building, design, production, sales, and after-sales. In addition, the factory has a complete set of advanced display machines, and we have a branch companies and overseas warehouse in Nigeria. Equipped with professional overseas sales teams and a comprehensive overseas service, welcome your visit. Over the years, the company has been adhered to the business of quality first, integrate first, to provide customers with the best pre-sales and after-sales service, the most professional technical support, the highest product quality, and the continuous improvement in technology. Our products are sold in more than 90 countries and regions and have won faith and trust from users all over the world. If you are interested in our manufacturer, please send the message to our website. Our partners, we will provide the excellent sales manager to provide the service for you. Welcome to Henan Glory Company. Welcome to visit our factory and company. Goodbye. Doing the aim. Customer success is doing the success. We will be committed. Doing the aim. Customer success is doing the customer. We will be committed to providing customers with the best solution, the best quality equipment, and the best after-sales service. If you really want to start the refining project, please let me know the quality of crude palm oil. Yes, if you decide to purchase crude oil from your local, you must choose this quality.